So guys, this is a Toyota Corolla 2019. There's a traction light and the code is C051D54. Multi-axis acceleration sensor module E missing calibration. So let's calibrate. Let's go to the special function. Special function, calibration. Okay. So confirm the following condition. The vehicle is on flat surface. Vehicle is stopped. The engine or power switch is on. Engine off. Engine already off. So engine off. On. Let's go to the next. If the vehicle starts for a second more than after pressing. So next. So the check engine ABS is blinking. Wait until it's off. Still blinking. Skip. So that's it guys. So start the car. So now it's good. The traction light is gone, and there's no trouble codes. So that's it guys.